Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you the Shopify Basic Plan review. So let's get started. So let me just head it over and click on select plan right here in order to see the plan that awaits. So as you can see right here, I have here the basic. This is good for solo entrepreneurs, the ones who are actually managing this Shopify store on their own. They don't have anyone managing it for them. So if you're only the one person that actually manages your store, then basic plan is for you. So you can see in here that the starting rate is $19, but for the first month it is only $1, and on the next month it will be $19 right here. So in here you can see that this actual basic plan has the world's best converting checkout, talent analytics, 24/7 chat support, localized global sustain, and POS Lite. So when you click on this full list of features, you can also see in here what it looks like. So if you choose to pay this monthly, it will actually cost you $25. But if you choose to pay yearly, it will only cost $19 per month. So I also have here the online store, which is a full featured, and there's unlimited products, but there's no unlimited or additional staff accounts. You can add collaborator accounts, as well as live chat, sales channels, one headless store, one standard analytics, set inventory location, custom apps, standard custom apps, standard checkout capacity, as well as discount codes, gift card recovery, PSSL, third-party calculated shipping rates. As you can see, it is actually not enabled. And you could also add in customer segmentation, marketing automation, unlimited contacts. But as you can see right here, the transaction fee is actually quite big since it's 2%. Well, if you try to use the Shopify plan or the advanced plan, you can see they have 1% or 0.6%, but this is actually quite good if you're the only one who's gonna use this account. So as you can see, the POS Lite is supported, but it's around $89 per month. And you can also see in here Shopify Marketplace Connect, which is enabled on everything, and they have 1% up to 99% dollars per month. They also have your localized selling, product pricing, market domains, language translation, and duties import taxes. As you can see, this is actually not important. And as you can see, this also look like this on you. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so please leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.